Cricut craft supplies you need. There are so many materials and craft supplies to bring your creative ideas to life. If you are lost in the plethora of options, we're here to help. Let's take a look at the staple craft supplies list. Two-way glue pen. Excellent for any paper projects. Bone folder. To achieve a sharp and crisp crease to your fold. It is excellent for 3D projects, paper cards, and more. Rubbing alcohol. Clean surfaces with rubbing alcohol before applying vinyl allows it to stick better. Mod Podge. Mod Podge can be used as a sealer, glue, and finish with your Cricut projects. The possibilities are endless with Mod Podge. Baby wipes. Using baby wipes is an effective way to keep your Cricut mats clean and extend their life. Foam tape. Excellent for 3D projects to assemble paper layers and add dimension. Heat-resistant tape. Perfect for positioning HTV, iron-on, infusible ink and other heat transfer materials as it can hold the pressure of a heat press. For more such help and information, visit us at www.mannymaker.com or call us at +1 786 866 5932 +44 020 3983 0480.